Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the hottest products to help you make the best choices. Today, we're talking about the best fishnet rhinestone dress, an incredible combination of style and sparkle that's sure to turn heads at any event. Whether you're gearing up for a party, a concert, or just a night out, this dress is the ultimate showstopper. Let's dive into the details. This fishnet rhinestone bodysuit is a unique and seductive design, crafted from a mix of 90% acrylic and 10% spandex. The stretchy fabric hugs your body in all the right places, enhancing your curves with its intricate mesh and glittering rhinestones. The long sleeves provide a bit of coverage, but the overall design is daring and bold, perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. The sparkling rhinestones are a standout feature, reflecting light with every movement, making this dress an eye-catching piece wherever you go. What makes this dress so special is its versatility. The mesh material gives it a bold, edgy look, while the rhinestones add a touch of glamour. It's perfect for a variety of occasions, from dancing at a club to wearing it as part of your Halloween costume, or even as a statement piece at a music festival. The one-piece bodysuit style ensures it stays in place all night long, and the flexible material makes it easy to move around in. When it comes to sizing, this bodysuit is designed to fit most women comfortably. Its stretchy fabric ensures that it adapts to your shape, providing a flattering fit without being restrictive. So, whether you're petite or curvy, this dress works for a wide range of body types, giving you the freedom to show off your sexiness and confidence. Cleaning this dress is simple too. It's recommended to hand wash it, which ensures that the rhinestones and the delicate mesh fabric remain intact. It's a low-maintenance piece that will continue to shine through many wears. So, if you're ready to sparkle and shine like never before, this fishnet rhinestone dress is a must-have. Whether you're heading to a rave, a costume party, or just want to add a little extra sparkle to your wardrobe, this dress has everything you need. It's a perfect blend of seduction and style, and it's guaranteed to turn heads. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the hottest products. This has been Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.